Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a keyboard Windows cannot start this hardware device code 19 configure info damage error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your settings of the Windows, click on G's of SS, go to your scroll down and go to your keyboard, and now turn off it, use screen keyboard. Okay guys, after doing this step, close it, and in the search box type registry editor. Now right click and run as administrator. After opening a registry editor, first of all expand the H key local machine, select a system and expand it. After doing this step, select a current control set, expand it. After doing this step, select a control and expand it. After doing this step, select a class and expand it. Okay guys, after doing this step, find out now find out okay guys, now find out 4D36E96B-E325-11CE-BFC1-08002BE 10318. Now select it. After doing this test, open a default and set a value type a keyboard. After doing this step, click on OK button. After doing this step, open a upper filters. Now if any value other than KB classes, then remove it. Now you can see that the only value set is a KB classic. Now after doing this step, press OK button. Now after doing this step, close the registry editor, go to the start menu, right click and go to your device manager, select expand the keyboard, select it, right click and click on update driver, browse from computers, pick up my available. Now select it, press next. After doing this, close it and restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.